Hey everybody, Vanessa here, and in this video I am going to be making a mint coffee confetti soap. Where my confettis come from, if you saw my previous video, remember, this is the coffee soap I had made, and it went into a false trace, and as much as I tried to save it, it didn't work. So in my previous video, as I stated before, I converted everything into little confetti pieces, and that's what we're going to work with today. That's what I'm going to work with today. The soaping method I'm going to be using, that I am using, is the heat transfer or my hard butters. Here I have my soft oils. So I already added my ROE. Taking a step back, this is the coffee that I'm using to make the soap. Coffee is wonderful. Comes from a great coffee grinder, for lack of better words, out of California. I really enjoy this coffee. Let me get suited up. Inside my lye water, I also have my sugar. As you can see, all of our hard oils are melted. Let's do a little bit of stirring here. A few embeds. Get them mixed up well. And I'm adding a little bit of fragrance oil. Fragrance oil. And as you can see, the soap is starting to get thicker. Put it in the last of my embeds. Hopefully I can do this without screwing it up too bad. So for each one of these, I am just going to have a plexiglass covering and recover it. It's not necessary for me to cover them with a blanket or it's not necessary for me to cover with a blanket or a towel. So just want to show you this. Put this here, right? Put it inside a shoebox. I'm going to cover my shoebox here and like that. Here's my towel, my old towel. I have my soap inside my shoebox because it's so tiny. And now I am just going to cover it. And this will serve as the insulation. It's the insulation until I'm ready to unmold. So as you can see, the cut has been really clean and nice. The soap allowed it to stay in the mold for 48 hours. And I am pleased on how this soap came out. It's really nice. The green came out nice too. I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Vanessa from Aromatics, natural products for the 3 dimensions of you. You are a spirit. You have a soul. You live in a body that is fearfully and wonderfully made. Thank you again. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you on my next video.